Welcome back. We'll continue deep diving into Android Studio user interface. Android Studio Editor appears when a Java, Kotlin, XML, or other based file is selected for editing. The Document tabs appears when a Java, Kotlin, XML, or other based file is selected for editing. The Editor Gutter area used by the editor to display informational icons and controls. Code Structure Location displays the current position of the cursor as it relates to the overall structure of the code. The Editor Area, the main area where the code is displayed, entered, and edited by the user. The Validation and Marker Sidebar. When you're typing code, the editor is analyzing the code to check for warnings and syntax errors. If we select activity_main.xml file, you'll see this panel or this editor area. This is called the Layout Editor. With Android Studio Layout Editor, we can build layouts by dragging components onto the screen instead of writing the layout XML by hand. With Android Studio Layout Editor, you can add components to the layout using drag and drop, add and change all the attributes or properties for the components, view and edit constraints for layouts, prepare a responsive design with a preview, and edit XML code for layout. The Palette provides a list of components and layouts that you can drag into your layout in the editor. Here you find buttons, text views, spinners, image views, and etc. The Component Tree shows the view hierarchy for your layout. Click any item here to see it selected in the editor. The component tree is important when you have some nested components. Toolbar provides buttons to configure your layout design in the editor and helps you change some layout attributes. You can also find alignment and connection tools. Design and code editors. You can create layouts using the design editor or the code editor XML or the split mode, both XML and the design editor. The design editor displays your layout in a combination of the design and blueprint views, exactly like this screen. And the code editor, in the text editor, you can define the visual aspects of components with the XML code. So for example, you can drag and drop text view with the design editor, or you can define it in the XML with the codes. Attributes. Attributes are properties for components in your layout. Most of the time, attributes will describe visual aspects of components, but sometimes they are used to set layout behavior as well as set parameters for tools. In this video, we learned about the editors in Android Studio, the editor, the code editor, and the layout editor in Android Studio.